You sure do like to share your opinions, talking big like somebody's listening. Nobody's listening. It's so fun and games until it isn't. Trust me, I'll hit the ignition. Are you listening? As long as it's with you.
So what am I leaving? And your body was so magnetic. Before I knew it, we talked and I think about you and content. I die for you, I cry for you, I try for you. Tell me why you left me bleeding.
Up in the window, smaller you think of. Up in the window.
Tell me why you left me bleeding.
Down so low that you and I have somewhere else to go. I gave you all I ever had and held.
Every time I fall in it deep, and I can't fight it, I can't fight it. You wreck my mind, I'm losing my sleep. And you know that it's all that I need.
Close your eyes.
It's reckless, but I don't care. You're dangerous like gold and I keep going on. You keep me fading, and I don't care. 'Cause I want everything that I've been running from.
Somebody like that, somebody like that. I'm running in a circle. I'm just trying to find my way back. Find another place where we can just escape. We can find a way. We can find a way. Now you got me wondering why you let me die alone inside. I
Here now, you're coming up to me, fire lighting up the sky. Feel the ground shaking underneath, trying to take me alive. I got no rival, I'ma find my way through the blood and pain, game of survival. Any time or place, watching my life. Take me to another dimension. You sure do like to share your opinions, talking big like somebody's listening. Nobody's listening. It's so fun and games.